I don't know what they're doing.
Wow, Mommy.
They're being silly. They're so fast now. Look at that. Look how big his pee-pee is. Eddie, their little pee-pees are so big. Ouch. This one's biting me. Hi, Soraya. You awake? So happy. I want to take them outside. They'd love it. Hey, guys.
Wait.